Even though the overall equation is simple, there's two things to be careful about. First, you cannot write 1 divided by 3, because that would be 0. Integer divided by integer would be an integer. So you have to put in at least 1 decimal point here. The second thing to be careful about is Python's power operator. If you forget the parentheses here, you would be forming the first power and would be dividing the result by 3, which is not what we want, obviously. And here's the result. If we start with an initial value of 0, the result stays at 0 all of the time. But if we start with a positive number that's ever so slightly above 0, such as 10 to the minus 300, we get a completely different evolution. And as you can see, there's hardly any difference between starting with 10 to the minus 300 and starting with 0.01. So from a numerical viewpoint, this differential equation looks as though 0 is a highly unstable fixed point. Once you get a tiny bit above 0, the solution is going to quickly diverge from that. And mathematically speaking, this is a differential equation whose solution curves are not unique. If you start with 0, if you will branch off at any point in time in this fashion and get another solution.